My husband will be so happy. The house is so clean.
Hi.
Hi, look! I did it all for you. It's so flawless now, right?
And you did only this during the day?
I just have a little bit to finish.
Where's the dinner?
I have to finish, then I will make it for you. Have some rest.
I don't care.
Hi, so how have you been?
I'm good. What about you?
To be honest, it's not the best. I just feel so discriminated against in my life. I see that my boss treats my male colleagues completely differently. In meetings, he never asks me to speak. When I speak, he just interrupts me. Also, my husband is a complete idiot, and I found out that he earns more than me. I don't know. It's so unfair. I do my best every day, and it's never enough.
Despite the many positive changes in the last decades, in case of increasing the women's rights in the modern society, unfortunately there's many things that we still should change, especially the equal salaries and the equal rights for the women in the policy making processes. Women already feel empowered to take responsibility for their lives. Nevertheless, there is still a huge gap in the representation in politics between men and women. There are many aspects that needs to be improved, especially equal salaries, maternity leave, and other rights for the women.
In today's global society, young people are increasingly aware of the need for gender equality and actively engage in the fight for women's rights. Many youngsters recognize gender inequalities occurring in various areas of life, ranging from the lack of women in decision-making positions to wage discrimination and even domestic violence and human trafficking.
These troubling facts provoke action and inspire us to voice our opinions on international level. Unfortunately, the voice of youth is often missing, yet it is incredibly important as we are the future of this world. We possess knowledge and have a unique perspective that can no longer be ignored. Therefore, we demand greater inclusion of opinions and experiences of young individuals in discussions concerning women's rights and human rights at all. Fresh ideas and suggestions can contribute to the development of more effective strategies for promoting gender equality and eliminating all forms of gender discrimination.
As a young people, we recognize our roles in the fight for women's rights and gender equality. Engagement, determination, and innovative approach can contribute to lasting changes in the world. This is our shared mission, the duty to build a fair society when everyone has equal opportunities and chances. The leaders of democracy should listen to our voices and take decision actions for a future where all people will be treated with dignity and respect. It is a crucial, significant issue, engaging more and more girls, women, and leaders worldwide.